Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to fix this type of issue. So if you are using Astra WordPress theme and you have done a single blog post template, then you may get this type of issue. So it's not showing in full width. If I go here, then single post. Now let's see this one. Click on edit. Now here you can see everything is in full width, but not showing good on this page. So how you can fix out this? Simply you can go to theme customizer, and on customizer page you can go back to the post types, then single post, and after that here you can see by default selected narrow. You can select it full width, normal, whatever you want. After that click on publish button, and then you can reload this page, this one. Now here you can see it's looking fine.